This instant apple pickle will have everyone licking their lips in no time. It is like a flavor bomb going off in your mouth. It has a sweet, sour, and spicy flavor that will enhance the taste of anything you eat with it. First, I am taking some green cooking apples and I'm giving them a very good wash, and then I will go ahead and peel the skins off. I've finished peeling all the skins off the apples. I'm making a very large batch today, so that's why you can see so many apples. Next, I am taking a grater and coarsely grating the apples, and the cores I am just discarding. A little tip is to leave the core of the apple intact so that you have something to hold on to as you are grating. You may notice the apples start to turn brown, but that is absolutely fine and it will not affect the end result. Now I am ready to cook the apples, so I am heating up some oil in a large pot that can hold all the apples. To the hot oil, I am going to add in some mustard seeds, along with a couple of pieces of cinnamon sticks, and a few whole cloves. Once the mustard seeds start to crackle, I will add in some cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start to crackle, I will add in some asafoetida. Next goes in all of the grated apples. Give everything a very good stir before we add in the spices. The spices I am using are turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, coriander powder, red chili powder based on how spicy you would like it, garam masala, salt to taste, and quite a lot of sugar. I am adding the sugar in 2 batches. This is the first batch, which I will mix in to incorporate all the spices before adding the second half of the sugar. I know it seems like a lot of sugar I'm using in this recipe, and it probably is, but you really do need it to balance out all that sourness that comes from the cooking apples. The sugar also creates a little bit of a syrup that helps to preserve the pickle for much longer. As you can see, even before adding the second half of the sugar, the apples have cooked and reduced down considerably. Because they are grated, they will cook very fast, so just make sure not to overcook them. Cook the apples until they are soft but not mushy, just like this. This quick and easy apple pickle is now ready to enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe and how it works out for you.